Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys having a great day. So today is a very special day. I'll be quite productive, more than normal. So I'm going skating, and we're gonna repair my surfboard. Well, it's actually my brother's surfboard, but we're gonna repair it because I have this big trip coming out, and it'll be quite cool. And I haven't told you guys, but we're going surfing. So quite preparing everything, preparing the bags, getting a new bag, preparing the surfboard. So today I'm gonna get a friend. We're gonna do that. We're gonna see what's up, because there's a couple things that I have to change on the surfboard. So go and do that. And we are leaving in 6 days, so this is like a pre-leaving video, so trying to get everything ready for that day. So it's around 5 hours from here. It's on the west coast of France, so that's gonna be cool, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be cool? So going to check out that and then start my first skating lessons, because I never skated before. That's why I bought a skateboard. So yeah, so I will see you probably in the skate park. I don't know, we'll see. All right, so we just came from the shop. We got this reparation kit, okay? Because like the guy from the surf shop, he was like, oh dude, your board has been like pounded. Everything's like falling apart. There's like holes. I'll show you after. So tonight I will have to fix it. I've also bought some wax, and right now we'll be heading to do some skateboarding. So that should be great. Our first skateboarding session. So I'll see you over there, man. Good morning. Good morning. So today is Wednesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. Yesterday I went skating and I fell. It was not really that good. I mean, yeah, I couldn't show you guys skating because nothing much happened. So right now we are with the surfboard, and as you may notice, it's kind of very damaged here. Here is here. Here as well. So what I'm planning to do is kind of clean it up with yeah, I haven't found anything better than this. So clean it up, do my best to it's the new setup, do my best to clean it up and then just repair it. So we shall do that. Let's get going, because we have around, today's the 2nd, we have 4 days, and in 4 days we will be leaving. So yeah, we have 1 big reparation here, 2, 3 I believe the other side, so it's around like 4 big reparations that we have to do. So yeah, let's get going. Alright, so right now we are cleaning with this thing. It's not the best thing to clean with, but it kind of works. So we got to, like, if I change you, we got to do this part right here that you've just seen. It's quite the biggest reparation we gotta do. It's like what, like 10 centimeters big by 5, 10 by 5. It's quite big. It's quite a big patch. We have to clean it. We gotta do all of this right here, because it's a big, look at it. If we continue going, you see how it moves. It's not good. That's not good. None of this is good. So just gotta clean it. So as you could see, we have quite a lot of work to do. We need to really reduce this part of the board very thin, so we could get as much of the resin as possible inside the cavity, which is right here. So pretty much doing that, and then we have a neck spot right on the front of the board, as you can see right now, and we have a neck spot at the back of the board. So yeah, pretty much we have to do these two spots to finish it, and then yeah, pretty much that's how the work it's gonna be, and that's what we're gonna do. So as I am working along the board, I find this right here. Look how badly damaged it is. It's very deep. As you can see, it goes all the way to the sponge. So that will be a very harsh repair. Like, we have to take every single piece that comes out, every loose piece, because when we do the repair, if we have a loose piece, it could break the repair. So we have to clean everything the most as possible. So we got that out of the way, so we have to clean this one. Then I found a couple ones on the board, like on the bottom here. Right here, you cannot really see it with a GoPro, but we got a couple cracks that we need to fix. We have a next crack here that you could barely see, but apart from that, it's good. I mean, it's nothing much to do, so just sanding everything down to apply the product later on today with the sun. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so right now we are using this dude. This is a resin. So basically what I've just did, I've just applied right here, right in the back, where you guys saw this very big indentation. So basically you put it out in the sun. So the sun is right there, so I left it like 10 seconds. You leave it 10 seconds, and then it will harden. So later we will work on this part, the big broken part. I've worked on the other parts, and it's just this big one that's left, so I'll do that. And yeah, so then we will have to probably work these ones right here. Alright, so we are going to start attacking this big pot right here. I believe that we will need a couple more, probably 2 or 3 times we have to coat it. So the first coat we shall work through this right here. I don't know if the GoPro could see it, but we will do this big one right here, then try to do the small one and this other one. So yeah, I'll show you how it's done. So basically we will open the resin, take our super stick, and we will gently just apply the resin a little bit all over, like, then we have to cover it and with the stick we will just rub it in as best as we can. So you try to cover all the cracks the best as possible, the best way as possible. So that looks good to me. And now we're gonna put it out there in the sun so it could dry off. And we'll give it some time, and then we'll give it around 3 minutes, and then we'll see. Probably in an hour everything should be good, and we'll be ready to sand it down with some sandpaper. I'm using, it's 180 or 120 I believe, yeah, 120 sandpaper. So let's put it right in the sun. Alright, so right now it's in the sun, sort of drying off, and just gotta wait a couple minutes and then we'll see if it hardens. So yeah. Okay, so what happened, I thought I was recording everything, but I didn't play the record button, so so we don't have footage of me finishing the board. So everything is done basically. The front part, as I showed you earlier on, is finished. Then the big crack, we applied 2 times the normal amount of resin, and honestly is good. Okay, I will admit it's not the best work, but it will do. So I'm pretty happy for that. So thank you so much for staying at the end of the video. If you enjoyed, just leave it a like and a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.